Hey, this is Hans, and this is... And this is... And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
the USA!
Yep, this comes from the USA. This is Noodie. Noodie?
Noodie.
What's Noodie?
A noodie comes from a plate.
Oh, I thought it was somebody who was naked. Noodies.
The
Alright, well let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so we start out with a note that was included. Words cannot describe the impact that you've had on the ramen community. I am so humbled and thrilled to be able to share our irresistible ramen with you. This moment is literally one of the greatest highlights of sharing Noodie, and I anxiously await your thoughts and feedback. Our peanut chili dry noodle is designed for those who aren't afraid of a little heat. The mouth-tingling spice has been balanced out with a creamy toasted peanut sauce. Added to that a whole heap of veggies, kale, bok choy, and broccoli. It's got 16 grams of protein, 75% less sodium than basic ramen, and uses a non-fried noodle infused with the superfood spirulina. Blue-green algae. Plus, it's 100% vegan. So, from my table to yours, I hope you enjoy. Isabel. And she contacted me about this stuff, a few weeks ago, and she was like, she knew who I was, and she was really thrilled for me to try it, and I am stoked to try it. Let's take a look at this product. Oh, there's another card. You are magnificent. Why, thank you. It says, we started Noodie as a labor of love because healthy and delicious are excellent bedfellows. Our irresistible ramen is complex in flavor, yet easy to prepare. Inspired by heritage, but made for today. Tradition turned into nutrition. A ramen created for those who crave the bare maximum. I like that. So, from our table to yours, we hope you enjoy. Welcome to the Noodie family. Oh my God, I'm wearing clothes. So in a box, check this out. Expect the bare maximum. I think that's a cool, it goes with Noodie, with the bear, you know. Wow, this is like ultra premium packaging. I am like, wow. Check this out. This is a neat package. They sent 4 of them. Obviously, I'm not gonna need 4 for doing a review. Let's see what's inside. Okay. This is really fun. I love stuff like this because I've never... Whoa! Look at that noodle block. That is serious business, folks. That is very serious business. Then there's... So check this out. The Noodie Veg Out Veggie Cube. Interesting. And what do we have here? We've got a big sachet of peanut sauce. And a sachet, I'm guessing, of, chili sauce. Wow. So what is this stuff made of? This is, I'm really fascinated by this. Wheat flour, tapioca starch, spirulina, holy basil leaf. Cool. That's very Thai. Got freeze-dried broccoli, kale, bok choy. Peanut sauce is made out of peanuts, sesame oil, chili oil. And I was worried because I thought when I'd open this, it would be just open. But everything's individually packaged, so... This one will get reviewed. God, you gotta get a load of that noodle block, though. That is dark. Look at that. Whoa. That is one dark noodle block. I'm stoked. Well, cool. Thank you very much. I'm just, like, really looking forward to giving this a try. This is definitely something new, and I'm just, like, blown away by the packaging, too. This is rad. Cool. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans, and this has been... And this has been... Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.